So we got hungry. But they're pretty good. This one is a little more golden brown. We just flipped it. Now Ariel, hold this while I flip this one. Oops.
That was good.
Come on.
Oh, Allie.
Okay. Well, it's clearly not ready yet. We'll be back in a little bit. So, meanwhile, we are feeding the bunny.
Eat the carrot.
I think it might be time to flip it, though.
Let's go flip it now.
Okay. So,
I want to flip it.
just a small one. Let's see if it's ready.
No.
No?
But, yeah.
Small one. Okay, and that one's not ready yet.
Yeah, I'm not flipping that one.
So, because we have to feed my mom and my brother, we decided to make some more pancakes. All you do is you can either, to begin with, double the mix, 2 eggs, 2 3/4 cup, no, not 2 3/4, what would that equal? Whatever 3/4 plus 3/4 equals of milk, 2 tablespoons oil, and 2 cups powder.
See if we can turn that on.
You can double it, and all that does is just give you 24 pancakes. Clearly, if you make them huge like this one, you're not going to end up with 24. If you make them small, like these, you can end up with 24. If you double it, if you don't double it, you should end up with 6. But if you make them huge, then you should end up with
I call this
just
one.
a couple to feed the whole family.
I call that one and that small one.
So, stay tuned for when we're done with this. Bye.
It's done.
Okay. Do you think that one's done?
Look at it. Look at it. Yep.
Okay, so, let's get some butter.
Get a nice big piece for the big pan.
Yes.
But when you do it like that, you just hold it down.
Do a little more. Oh, that's good, actually.
Yeah, I was gonna say, Allie.